Oh, well, welcome to the night bazaar here in Pattaya. Okay, what am I gonna say? Okay, they have a lot of bizarre stuff though. You know, if I put music in the background, it gets what's it called again? Copyrights. Well, I need to find the real free music, which is hard nowadays. Okay, so this is the night bazaar here in Pattaya. It's pretty much your typical clothing and souvenirs and whatnot. So this is mostly for shopping, I believe. Nothing super special. You have some t-shirts, probably fake. You have some, well, you have some grinders and pipes and whatnot. You have this and that. I'm impressed how they all have good English in Pattaya, by the way. Alright, so as you can see, the bazaar is pretty big and spacious. And most importantly, it is very extremely clean. Wow, it's really clean. I know, it's really clean. Oh my days. Oh, this is what we bought at the mall? Oh wow. It's more expensive here. It was 55 baht at the mall. I mean, to be fair though, there's not much special stuff to see here. It's just your typical clothing, souvenirs, pipe paintings, elephant statues, handbags, clothing, and that's pretty much it. There is and of course, if you want to buy the Thai stuff, like the Thai dresses and whatnot, and that's it. So, oh, there's a food court right there. When it comes to price tags, how much are these bags though? Like I don't eat, I like those words. You don't like, you don't eat. Alright, nice food. Oh wow, look at that. That looks dope. Okay. I mean, the mall is spacious, or the bazaar is spacious, but sorry? Yeah, there is not much to do or much to see. It's pretty much the same thing, the same standards. It's only cleaner. The ain't even that cheap, to be fair with you. They're a bit on the pricey side.
Oh, you recording?
Yes, I am. You traveling alone?
Where you from?
I'm from Finland.
Finland?
Yeah, you know what's Finland?
Greenland?
No.
Where's that?
That's near Russia.
Russia?
Yeah.
Hello from Australia. Fam.
Oh yeah? Oh, wicked. That's cool. That's cool. First time here in Pattaya?
Yeah, first time.
Yeah. How's the vibe going? You like it?
It's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah?
I actually like it, yeah. Apart from like all the crazy girls. Right here.
I can't film that one.
Yeah, that guy got
I will get slapped.
That guy got hula, bro.
That's how you need to have a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you've been here for a long time already?
No, we were here for a rugby tournament.
Oh yeah? Oh really? So, oh wow, okay, that's dope. Who won? Yeah? For the camera only, or like, what do you mean?
No.
Oh, that's dope, man.
You do YouTube and stuff?
Yeah. I'm gonna put, let me show you. It's a long name. You have YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Is it like a first time here in Thailand in general, or like just in Pattaya?
My first time in Thailand.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Oh, wicked. Will you guys be doing as well Bangkok and other cities, or just around here in Pattaya, and then
we've just been around
you should try Bangkok?
Bangkok.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that's pretty good.
It's amazing.
Phuket?
Phuket is far, but yeah, that's me. And you're gonna be live at some point, right? So thank you very much. Okay. Enjoy your trip.
You too.
Yes, man. All right, that was fun. Okay, moving on. Here are my people. Quite a lot of foreigners in this market, but yeah. Anyhow, so have it in mind if you're here. It's not bad for shopping, to be fair with you. But it's pretty much the standard. So when you think about night bazaar, something amazing or something fancy, there is nothing here. Same clothing, same stuff everywhere. I don't know why. I already bought one of these, and I'm still quite interested to buy maybe one more. But do I need it? Not really. Oh, what about this one? Okay. Like, you have a lot of these shops selling all sorts of tiny gadgets, and I am very interested in buying. This is 250. That's expensive. And buying this. Okay. Yeah, perfect. How much is it? Expensive. Oh, that would be nice. Oh, this is nice. Okay. How much is this one? How much is this?
150.
Oh, 150 for one. Okay. It's good. 150. Oh, that's a bit high. All right. Thank you. So we are still here at the bazaar. So if you do want to buy some cool gadgets, you should come to this place. It all looks amazing. And then you have other shops as well selling similar items like this one. So I reckon like they're all gonna have. Hello, it's okay I feel? Yeah, I can show you. Name of the store? No name? No name? Name over there. Okay. All right. So the name of this one is I don't know, but I reckon if you're here, you're gonna be looking at the number right there, and they all sell similar stuff, which is interesting. Fragile. It's wood. Okay. So be careful when you touch these things because they're quite fragile. You don't want to break them because if you break them, you have to buy it. You break it, you pay for it. It's very simple concept. Oh, that's a nice magic. Well, all right, so that is the end of this market. It's pretty much, it's very standard. You can buy this or that. They also have a mini bar, which is pretty cool as well. That's nice. All right, I am done with this market or with this bazaar. It's very standard. So if you do, or if you are here in Pattaya and you want to like find everything in one location, from bag to clothing, la 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 la, it's not a bad spot. All right, guys, thanks for watching. It's me again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe somewhere down there and then leave a comment. All right, thank you. Bye.